So of course I'm going to be starting off with hair. We always go hair first, then makeup after. That's just my way of doing things. We're going to be installing a new wig. I just recently got this one from Nadula Hair Company. Shout out to you for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much for that. Helping your girl pay her bills. But this is the unit that they sent over. It's this really, really beautiful, like reddish, like auburn type of color. Perfect for the fall time. The texture of the hair is everything. The length is perfect. The color is bomb. So I'm super excited to install her. They also sent over a bunch of like super cute goodies. We got like a bathrobe, which was like really awesome. But yeah, they sent over a bunch of cute goodies along with this wig. But yeah, so this is the unit that we're going to be installing. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to be doing the bald cap method today. I've been doing the bald cap method lately because it's been working out real well with my installs. I'm also going to use this Ebin lace adhesive to secure my lace wig. This is like the perfect lace adhesive because it works for like both things, like the bald cap method and to like secure your lace. It holds onto your lace wigs super well, but it's also water soluble, so it comes off super easily with some water. You guys already know I like to take my wigs off at night. I don't really like to sleep with my wigs. You know, I need my hair to breathe at the end of the day, so I need like a lace adhesive that's gonna come off super easily at night. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys enjoy this process here because everything is pretty much the same for like how I install the hair. Nothing's really changed that much with that. The hairstyle that I did is super simple as well. It's just like a classic like half up, half down style. I added a middle part as well, and I put like two little chunks of hair in the front for my bangs. If you have any questions about the hair, definitely make sure to check the description box. I always leave all the information for the hair in the description box if you guys ever have any questions about it. I'm also going to leave a link to this exact wig that I'm wearing, so if you want to go ahead and check it out on the website, feel free to check the description box for that as well. I'll be back to show you guys the finished look, and then we'll go ahead and get into this makeup.
That you love. Act like you don't know because you got too much going on. For someone that you love, someone that you love, someone that you love. I'll be waiting, won't give up on you. I am waiting, always waiting for you. Someone that you love, someone that you love.
Okay, so I'm back a little bit earlier than I said, but it's because I wanted to kind of give you guys some details about like the hairstyle that I did. So I did end up like pressing the hair out with my flat iron just to kind of get it nice and straight. And after that, I went ahead and did like the actual hairstyle, like this half up, half down. So I only used hairspray to slick back this hair. So I made sure to use like a whole bunch of it, but I got the ponytail looking nice and sleek. I really wanted like a nice sleek ponytail. So using plenty of hairspray is like key if you're not going to use like any other product. So I did like a little twist, like knot type of bun, like kind of like wrap the hair around the ponytail. And then for the ends, I just left the ends like a little bit longer. I made sure to also go in with a little bit of hairspray on those ends as well to spike them up so they kind of like poke out a little bit. I did this hairstyle within another video, but the hair was super curly, so it gave like a different type of vibe. I feel like this time, like with straight hair, it's like, it looks more like sporty. I don't know, it's like giving like a mixture between like posh and sporty spice, but I thought it looked super cute. But yeah, so this is the finished look for the hair. Thank you so much again to Nadula Hair Company for sending over this unit. I'm so excited to wear it again for the fall and winter time. It's such a pretty color and the texture is so beautiful. Again, I'm going to leave all of the information for it in the description box if you guys have any questions.